So guys, I have decided to do a review on this Braun 10-in-1 styling kit for guys. I just bought today. It looks like it's got all these things in it, and it comes in this relatively big box, and it does all these things. Now, I'll open it, and of course, what do you think? All right, half the box is completely empty here. And all you do is pull this little thing, okay, which is half the size. I think I'm gonna be returning it anyways, but let me rip it. I got one hand only. Okay, let's see what's in it. All right. What do we have? This charger. Oh, we have a razor blade. Bag. And these flimsy attachments. 2 blades. And this thing. All right. It's all plastic. It's whatever. Guys, not recommended. This is like a $15 deal. I paid $35, which was discounted from $45. Okay, totally not worth it.